Let's take a look at Manager Self-Service. Under Manager Self-Service, a manager can view all of the same data that the employee can view in Employee Self-Service, but only for their subordinate group. So they have to be flagged as the employee's supervisor in order to view information about their employee group. So all the same screens are available as we saw in Employee Self-Service, personal information, and payroll information. This is a great place to put reminders as well, notices for a manager. Really anything that has a date in the system can be put up here as a reminder. So things like certificate expiry dates, evaluations that need to be done, reviews, things like that. That can all be here as a reminder list. This is also where the manager is going to come to review time. So let's go to today's date. So they can pull out the time, look at the transactions, decide whether they approve or reject this. If it goes back to the employee, there could be some back and forth until they decide on the actual correction. There's a possibility to edit these fields here. We do have an editable version of the screen, so if you do want to allow managers to manipulate the hours directly, instead of going back to the employee, that's a possibility as well. This is also where the manager is going to come to approve leave. So they can see all the different leaves outstanding, and they can decide whether they are going to approve or reject that leave. If they do reject it, they need to provide a reason, and it will go back to the employee for the employee to adjust. Only once time and leave is approved will it flow to payroll to actually be paid. As these are all web pages, this is a great landing spot for company reports, information, notices, anything that is relevant to the manager that you want to get into their hands without having to print off and send to them.